2024 Toyota RAV4 windshield window tint, stealth IR 70% by Dirty Tools. Will shrinking the windshield on this glass and install it in this glass be a good idea? From my Insta360, let's find out. Let's prep the windshield. Get her squeaky clean. Dirty sauce for the win. Rubber belly real good. Trim the excess off. Take to the glass. Bum, 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 bum. Align her pretty good. Get that H going. Lock her in. Lock her in. Favorite torch. What is a heat gun? And we're done. Let's reverse roll her. Get her real wet. She likes it wet. Let's roll her like a taquito. The tighter, the better. Okay, we already prepped the windshield, covered it up pretty good. From experience, doing a scrub pad all the way around, sometimes it might leave a little thing like this, small one or whatever that you can't see. It'll stay behind. It'll come to haunt you, because you know what? You're gonna have to either tell the customer that chunk whatever, or you're gonna have to replace it. I would really prefer to use a blade, 3.5 inches here in this case. You may use whatever blade you like. Make sure she's real clean. Clean her behind the ears real good. Man, she's gonna get squeaky clean install. We are using Disruptive Patterns by Autobahn. I think they're improving on the patterns, because for this model I saw 3 windshields before. I used to just see one of them. Alright, let's go ahead and get her in the corner. And if I squeal like a little girl, it's because I'm moving around here in this windshield. Start unrolling her. Make sure you don't touch anything. Do not touch the film on the inside. No toccare papele on the inside. Oh, never. She didn't touch anything. Aligner and cinder. Bum bum bum, all the way down, all the way down, all the way here. Here, I can see she's just a tad touching some of that butyl, but I'm gonna cut her right now. Right now. And get this clip right here in my car. I don't like clips on the floor. The only reason I'm trimming here is because there's an aftermarket windshield and it has a lot of butyl, and I can visibly see it right here in the edge. But just a little bit of trim like this and she's pretty much ready to. Here you go. No harm, no foul. All right, the moment of truth. Does she fit like a glove? Bum, 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 bum. So there you go, guys. Aftermarket or not, shrank it on that 21 Chevy Silverado pickup windshield, and she goes on 90% of the vehicles. Easy as that. Any comments? Down below. Have an amazing day.